Good evening, and in tonight's Thundering Thursday, we're expanding my 30 dice French army with some more French. So, I managed to get a bargain when I visited Caliver Books in Nottinghamshire, as this is a box that's got slightly damaged, so shop soiled I believe the phrase is. So without further ado, let's get this wrapper off and let's see what we've got. And welcome back. So let's have a little look. Well, we get the little bag of fluff, which indicates that there is some sort of a vehicle, which of course we're expecting. So let's see, this is very full. Right, so you get a sprue of bases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry sprues, which we'll have a look at closer. We'll have a closer look at later. And the mighty Char B1, or Char B, with crew figures. I think it just has the one weapon option, which is enough, being a light howitzer in the hull and light anti-tank gun in the turret. So then we get more bases because there's 36 infantry. So they've sent us they've sent us 40 bases. Oh, thank you, Morella. So we get the vehicle card and transfer sheet and bases for the artillery piece and the 2 support weapons. So we get the medium mortar team. Again, we'll have a close look at those in a moment. Destruction book and instructions for the infantry, and wondrous things that for a change aren't biting me. So we get thank you, Cosmina. We get the light anti-tank gun. Again, we'll have a closer look at that. And medium machine gun. And finally, no, not tubular bells, we get the metal HQ team, which I think may have been, if not in the process of being, replaced with resin. So let's start with these, shall we? So we get little radio to go with radio operator, little bit of a mold line, but nothing anybody with really basic modelling skill or experience can't handle. NCO with officer with submachine gun with a bent barrel. I will correct that when it comes to painting them. I won't do it on camera in case I break it. And then officer with pistol. And a medic, I'm assuming. By the fact that he's unarmoured, has got his hand in a pouch. So I'm assuming that's the medic. Again, showing the age. These are a couple of years old. This is 2023 box. As I said, a little bit of a mould line, but nothing major. So let's drop it back in here for now. So that will be, with him being armed with a pistol, the officer for either my artillery platoon or the support weapon platoon. Speaking of which, here we have the medium machine gun. Some very fine, if a little bit twisted, machine gun. So I will attempt to straighten that a little. There we go. I'm hoping that that is not the tripod. I think that is supposed to be the tripod, not a dead spider. Very, very fine model. And then NCO leading the team. Gunner with arm and the loader. Because unlike most medium machine guns, I believe the French gun was still magazine fed. So drop this back. And onto the mortar team. Okay. Medium mortar. So we have usual crewman covering his ears, kneeling, crewman covering his ears standing, and the crewman actually dropping the shell down the barrel. Again, all great little models. They may look a little white to you, but that's because of talc used as a flow assist in the mould. Then we have the mortar, so we've got the base plate and bipod and the tube itself, which, unlike my recent British mortars, is not that flat. So thank you again, Cosmina. I haven't seen many of your cards, so I don't know if you're still with the company. If you're not, best of luck with whatever endeavour you've engaged in since. And more from Cosmina, of course. So now we have the light anti-tank gun, which appears to be very similar to what the Americans call the M6. So let's start with the crew carrying the shell case, dipping into the shell case, and then a crewman with the bent rifle. That's NCO spotter type. So we get 2 wheels, 2 legs with towing ring. Then we get what made me comment about similar to the M6. We get the double screen. I forget whether it goes, which way round it goes. I think it's that way round. check photos at a later date before I construct it. The gun itself, and then another ammo box and sighting equipment. So again, other than the flash from the vents, I think that really is the extent of the flash on all the metal models I've got in this set, which just a little bit of feathering, so simple wiggle with a file or knife and that's gone. You get no real mould lines on the crew. So wonderful. Excuse me. And now onto the infantry. So because this is grey, let's put something white underneath. So we get the usual 6 poses: kneeling, walking, braced, standing, jogging or running, braced, stepping, and then walking again. But let's start at the top. So we get number of heads in the Adrian helmets and a couple of spare helmets, then number of heads in the large French beret, and an array of backpacks, which makes us flip to the other side. You get a mixture of heads, officer's cap, which technically have been phased out for the frontline troops, though some officers still kept hold of it. A couple of covered Adrian helmets, bear head, a couple of caps, and then the WWII heads, which were Moroccans and other North Africans in French service. Some more backpacks and knapsacks which were worn on the hip. Right, we get an array of knives and other tools. Again, the WWII were known and feared for their large knives. Then selection of rifles and the French light machine gun with a loader's arm. Again, hip pack, a couple of arms actually firing the rifle, and a slung rifle. Let's have a look back around here. So we've got the officer's pistol, pointing arm, and excuse me, that's the Wookiees again. Obviously binoculars, and as far as I'm aware, unique among the bolt action range, actually have a hand holding a cigarette. Another rifle, the only submachine gun in the set, although there are 6 of them. Rifle and hand grenade. And then another slung rifle, and rifle with the rifle grenade launcher, which most infantry units in the French army can take, because although most armies in the Second World War had access to the rifle grenade launcher, it was only the French that really made use of them. I believe the Japanese did as well. So all in all, wonderful addition, which will make my regular opponents very afraid, thinking about how many more dice I can add to my current 30 dice list. But that's aimed at 1250, so unless I took it up to 1500, not that many. So we do have a painting video for the French coming up very soon. We'll see you then.